Among the many styles of Tai Chi, Chen is the oldest, created by Chen Wang-Tang nearly 500 years ago. It is most complex and more vigorous. Chen style is characterized by its lower stances and bursts of power. Slow and fast movements are intermixed. Softness and hardness complement each other. I become fascinated with this style, and as my arthritis improves, I have no problem jumping and doing the more explosive movements.
There is a healthcare crisis in this country. We have so many people who have difficulty getting a physician, so many people who have chronic illnesses, and we're so concerned about the amount of money that we're spending for healthcare. I believe that the answer to that problem is to help people have better health so that they live healthier, live longer, and live well. The Tai Chi for arthritis and other Tai Chi for health programs could become a huge part of improving the health of everyone in this country and decreasing our costs for medical care.
That we as a world need to think about is that we have an aging population, and we need to be able to have an easy outreach to that population that can improve their health. And I think Tai Chi is one of those mechanisms by which we could approach a broad spectrum of individuals to help build a cohesive group analysis and to provide a change of quality of life. All of the studies that I've read in Tai Chi, that have been on Tai Chi, have shown that there's been a significant improvement in the quality of health. And that includes studies done on cancer patients, patients with multiple sclerosis, so arthritic patients. I think there's just something that needs to be done to help people age effectively.
Well, this conference is remarkable in that it is the first international conference and has people from 8 countries. It is a good size conference, about 200 people. And that is a remarkable thing, given that it's the first time. It is an exciting time to be meeting with researchers and also with people who teach Tai Chi in the community.
The modern fast-paced lifestyle has separated our mind and the body. Tai Chi brings back the nature within you so that your mind and body are integrated. You will gain inner peace and happiness within yourself. This is what we call the Tai Chi spirit.
Yeah, it is interesting because I have run across that quite a bit. Well, isn't Tai Chi not really in line with religion, or isn't there a god of Tai Chi or something? And you answer no, and they get surprised. It's a way of thinking, a way of living, and my experience has nothing that goes against the grain, so to speak, of Christian thought or Christian ways of thinking. It's a way of exercising not just your body, but your mind and your heart. You develop a concentration that you could do it other ways, I imagine, but I find it an easy way to develop my concentration. And you get deeper into yourself with that.
Bye.